truly give you the glass skin effect. Keep it overnight and you will actually wake up with a very beautiful glass skin. It can give you contact dermatitis. You must be thinking natural ingredients are always good for our skin. But I'm sorry, unfortunately, there is a plot twist. These are definitely natural and good for our skin, but we need to know how to use it. And secondly, these are harsh natural ingredients that often contain potent actives into it. I know a lot of you might be asking now, what about those people who had been using these DIY masks on their face, on their body skin since ages? What about them? Were they wrong anyhow? They weren't wrong. Let me tell you something, it's us who are committing the mistakes. Two things we need to remember while making our DIY mask. First is how to dilute these ingredients correctly, and secondly, how to balance them out properly. Stay tuned with me. I'm going to tell each and everything about all these natural ingredients. Hello, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. And this video is going to be about the DIY face mask, the truth behind it, the science behind it, the logic behind it that you really need to know. BESAN is a very popular natural cleanser and exfoliator for our skin. It doesn't only removes tan, but it also cleanses the pores very well. But at the same time, we have to remember there are some cons of using BESAN. And that is, most importantly, extreme dryness. If you are using BESAN as your face pack or a DIY mask for your body, then always remember that it may actually dry out your skin to the extreme point. When I was a teenager, I was using BESAN and neem leaves all together and making my skin even more dry because I do already belong to the dry skin family. So it was very difficult to cater the dryness into my skin. I know BESAN cleanses really well, but what about the dryness? If you are from dry skin or excessively dry skin or even normal skin, then you really need to be very careful about using BESAN. It can also break your skin barrier if used frequently. So if you already have a broken skin barrier and very dry skin, dry and sensitive skin altogether, then do not use BESAN frequently. For those people who have dry skin or very dry skin or damaged skin barrier, at the same time, if you have sensitive skin, then they must pair BESAN with some smashed banana into it or add a good amount of honey into it. Whenever you are going to do that, then you will have a cleansing ingredient such as BESAN, at the same time nourishing ingredients such as honey or a moisturizing ingredient such as smashed banana into it, so that it will not end up drying your skin. At the same time, it will cleanse your skin properly and leaves a beautiful glow to your skin without stripping the natural moisture from your skin. Now, when we talk about aloe vera, I must say that it is the most calming and soothing gift of nature. But it is not universally safe for all the individuals in this world. Raw aloe vera is a little harsh and potent ingredient for our gentle skin. Whenever we are using aloe vera, if our skin is sensitive to aloe vera, then it will definitely cause you severe breakouts. At the same time, it may trigger your allergenic reactions from your skin. It can give you skin irritation, contact dermatitis, and other infectional diseases on your skin. I would rather suggest you that not to use any raw aloe vera on your skin. I have a much better option to use aloe vera on your skin, but in a safer way. Now the face pack that I'm going to show you is something that will truly give you the glass skin effect. I know you have heard of the overnight collagen masks a lot for the collagen boost. You can truly boost collagen out of it, and also in a very natural way. You don't have to expend a lot of money for a collagen boosting mask. And let me tell you how to make the mask. First of all, you have to take the aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the Wishcare one. You can take any of the aloe vera gel that does not contain any artificial green color. It has to be natural, otherwise it is not going to work. Anyway, the second ingredient has to be the Vaseline. This small pack of Vaseline I have taken. You just need a little bit. Next ingredient is going to be the glycerin. These three are going to be the ingredients that you are going to make a face mask out of. What you need to do is at night you have to do your normal skincare. Just skip the moisturizer and instead of that use this mask on your face. Keep it overnight and you will actually wake up with a very beautiful glass skin, because aloe vera already has the potential to boost the collagen of your skin. At the same time, glycerin will actually work as a humectant that will restore the moisture into your face overnight. At the same time, the petroleum jelly will seal the moisture into your skin. It will repair the broken barrier of your skin, and all the dryness, the damages, the lack of glow, everything will be sorted with this one pack. Anyway, you can see this is the kind of thing that it will be made out of. It looks like a clear mask. I'm showing you how to do this. Just apply like a moisturizer on your face. Here we go with this. This is so calming and soothing at the same time. If you have the damages for a really long time on your face, or you just cannot get out so much time for the skincare, you can do this once or twice in a week. Trust me, your skin will change, and you have to continue it for at least 1 month, and you will actually see the difference in your skin very rapidly. Here we go with the mask. You can see this is how it looks. Even if you apply this on your eyes, it will not irritate your eyes. You can skip your eye cream for the night and just use it all over your face or all over on your neck. And that's it. Hopefully this is visible. This is how it will be there on your skin, and you have to put it overnight. And in the morning you don't have to use any face wash, just wash it off with warm water or normal water and you're good to go. Now we need to talk about the turmeric. Turmeric is actually quite harsh ingredient for those who have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, or very sensitive skin, and also the damaged skin barrier. It can actually give you the burning sensation into your skin. So if you are using turmeric or raw wild turmeric, always mix this up with a soothing ingredient such as aloe vera gel, rose water, or a little bit of honey into it. Mix them up all together, adding a little bit of rose water into it, and make a good mixture and apply on your face. It will reduce the burning sensation or tingling sensation that is there in the turmeric, specifically in the curcumin. So it will not trigger your sensitivity. At the same time, it will make your skin brighter. It will work on the spot corrections or the spot removals as well. I know a lot of you must be fond of using orange peel powder, expecting that it is a vitamin C and your skin will be brightened up within a few days. Wait, pause a little bit and listen to me. Of course, orange peel powder is something that has the potentiality to brighten up your face. But we need to know what is exactly orange peel powder is. It does not only contains vitamin C, but it has also a few acids into it. It has concentrated essential oil into it. This is the reason it may actually trigger your skin sensitivity to the highest level. Also, at the same time, it will trigger your photosensitivity, which means whenever you will be out in the sunlight after using your orange peel on your face, then it is going to be more sensitive towards the sunlight. And you will develop a lot of spots, dryness, redness, patches on your skin. Due to its high acidic nature, it may actually give you a lot of skin irritation and inflammation at the same time. Let's talk about our hero ingredient, that is lemon. I know a lot of you must believe that lemon is something that will make your skin look fairer, brighter and more clean. Trust me, if you are using lemon, you are actually damaging your skin on an everyday basis. Lemon actually acts as a photosensitizing agent. It may cause severe blisters, active pimple, blemishes, redness, at the same time irritation to your skin. If you have sensitive skin and if you do not have sensitive skin, lemon is actually sensitizing your skin even more. At the same time, if you are using lemon in your DIY face mask, you are actually making your face a ground for absorbing all the damages that can be caused by the sun. What I mean to say is it may actually cause you phytophotodermatitis, which is a severe reaction from the sunlight. I'd like to suggest you that just eliminate lemon from your skincare regime. Here is one DIY mask that I can guarantee you that it will give you a beautiful glow instantly. It's a very simple mask, and honestly I don't believe in making a complicated mask and end up irritating my skin. So I have made a very simple formulation. It is just made out of two ingredients. One is curd and the other one is rose water. As you all know that curd contains lactic acid, which is a mild exfoliator. It will exfoliate your skin, at the same time it will provide a beautiful glow to your skin. And other one is the rose water, which will actually soothe your skin. We have to keep in our mind that any exfoliator will end up irritating our skin. So we have to put something that will calm down our skin at the same time. So these are the two ingredients which will provide glow, which will exfoliate, and at the same time which will calm down your skin. Thank you so much for being so patient with me, and thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you liked it. Then please take a moment to share, like, and of course do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.